Today, we're taking more scenes from TV and we're using them to practice our English. You can train your mind to think in English so you can recall the words faster and stop translating in your head in conversation. First, we'll take a scene from the show, The Black Lady Sketch Show. The scene is on mute because it's not about watching the clip for fun, and the audio can distract us from thinking. It's about describing the clip in English. So as you watch it, you'll be thinking in English. First, you're going to see about 10 seconds of a clip. Think all the nouns that you see. If you see a banana, think banana. You're just naming objects. We're going to watch this scene later with a different focus, but this is just objects. Here we go. I thought lots of things. Refrigerator, cabinets, belt, necklace, buttons, mug, counter. Or maybe you thought island or kitchen island. Computer or tablet. Keyboard. Again, lots of objects in this shot. Stool or chair. Table. Lamp. Picture. This piece of furniture can be called lots of things. Buffet. Sideboard. Console. Laundry basket. Drawers. In this wider angle, we see a fruit bowl with apples and bananas. A picture on the wall. The back door. This short little drapery at the top of the window is called a valance. Shirt. Jeans. Now let's look for adjectives. What words can you think of to describe the scene? It's okay if you only come up with one or two. The more you do this, the quicker your brain will be able to recall words in English. If a word comes to mind that you don't know in English as you're doing these sorts of exercises, take the time to stop and look those words up. It's a great way to learn new words because you'll have a visual to go with it, which will help you remember the words. Okay, ready? The same clip. Think of a couple adjectives. Silver, the color of the refrigerator. Green, the dress. Gold, the jewelry. To me, this scene seems kind of dark, like it's in the evening. Purple for the shirt. Yellow for the chair. Red for her hair. Or curly. Here, the mom looks excited to me. Now, let's see if we can come up with a few verbs to describe what we see. Watch one more time and let your mind think of a verb or two. Talking. Pointing. She's leaning on the island. It also looks like she's mousing with the trackpad. Were any of these words new? Let's take a look at another scene. This is from the show Platonic. To start, think of the word for any of the objects that you see in English. Safes. Dog, of course. Doberman, that's the kind of dog. Collar. Tag or charm. W. Spikes. Behind him, tile. Ears. Eyes. Nose. Or for a dog, you can say snout to describe the part of the face that juts out with the nose on the end. A lot to look at in the second scene. Hat. Glasses. Necklace. Man. Woman. Jacket. Windows. Again, hat. Glasses. It's hard not to see that beard, isn't it? Guitars. Rings. Display case. This is a pawn shop. Now, see if you can come up with some adjectives as you watch the scene again. Think the words in English. This dog is serious. Unmoving. Stoic. His ears are pointy. Clipped. Here, you could have thought of the colors. Green. Black and yellow for the hat. Brown for the color of her hair. Maybe you thought pretty. Attractive. This man is older. The glass is reflective. The guitars are kind of shiny. His beard is long. Now some verbs. What action can you describe? The dog isn't moving much, is he? Sitting. Staring. Pointing. Standing. Talking. She's gaping. That means to stare at something with your mouth open in surprise or interest. Gaping. This man is also pointing, talking, and nodding his head a little bit. Let's do one more scene. This one is from the show Acapulco. First, just think of the objects you see. Two men, sunglasses, belt, chairs, pillow, cactus, ocean or sea, rocks, patio, tables, more men, beers, sunglasses, shirts with collars, pants, shorts, bowls, trees. Now there's a lot of bright color in this scene. Let's name some colors and other adjectives that come to mind. such vibrant colors, yellow. This could be called pink or magenta, or maybe fuchsia, white, red, green, blue. This man is thin. This man is bigger. You could say medium build. I wouldn't say he's overweight, but maybe you could say a little heavy set. Their outfits are matching. Here I see the plants blowing. It makes me think windy. Sunny. The shore is rocky. Everyone is dressed in a way that's very preppy. The overall style of this location is mid-century modern. The bottles are brown. This bowl is teal. The tables are orange. These pillows are striped. His pants are pleated. His collar is popped. Let's look for some verbs to describe what's happening in the scene. He's touching his shoulder. He's talking. They're standing. In the background, someone is walking by. The breeze is blowing. The men are sitting. He's pointing. They're waving or gesturing. They've just been introduced to this guy. So you could say, this guy in white was introducing. I hope you had fun working on your English skills with these scenes from TV. I know I did. Check out all my videos designed to help you think in English. They give you the tools and the training to increase your vocabulary and to start thinking more in English. And please do subscribe with notifications on. I absolutely love being your English teacher. That's it, and thanks so much for using Rachel's English.